Hello student, this is the continue of the chapter number 5, fraction. This video is for class 6 and the subject is maths. Hello student, welcome to digital classes. This video is for class 6, chapter is 5 and this is the continue of the chapter number 5, fraction. This is basically the fourth part of this chapter. In the previous, I told you about how to compare by cross multiplication method. In this video, I am going to tell you how. I am going to tell you the another method of comparison to make the unlike fraction like. This is the another method. So let us start with the another method of comparison. This is the another method for comparison, and in this method make the fraction or make the unlike fraction, make the change the unlike fraction into like fraction. Clear? So let us take one example as a question. For example, suppose there is two fraction. This is given in your book on the page number 91 also. This is 5.6 and 8 upon 9. So I think you have remembered how we make the fraction same. Take out the LCM of 6 and 9. See, 6 and 9, and this is a prime factorization, and we are finding LCM, least common multiple. So you can use the prime numbers only. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9, then 2 1 3 3 and 1. Now the LCM is equal to 3 2s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. Now the required denominator is 18. So 5.6, give some space, write the required denominator, that is 18, put the comma here, then 8 upon 9, give space, then write the required denominator. Now see, 6 3s are 18, so we have multiplied 3 to the numerator also. This 5 3s are 15, and now it's 9 2s are 18, so we can multiply 8 by 2 also. So 8 2s are 16. So our new fraction is 15 upon 18 and 16 upon 18. We know that when the denominator is same, we can check 15 and 16. So 16 is greater than 15. Therefore 5.6 is less than 8 upon 9. Now clear? This is the another method, second method, and in the first method we can compare with cross multiplication method. In the second method, first we have to change the unlike fraction into like and then compare. Now let us take one more example for this. This is not given in the example. So compare the fraction. compare the fraction, I just take a 4 upon 5 and 7 upon 10. Now 4 upon 5 and 7 upon 8. First we compare with second method. So take out the LCM of 5 and 8, which is equal to 5 and 8 because both are co-prime. 5 and 8 are co-prime. If it is co-prime, then you just multiply this 5 into 8, which is 40. So 4 upon 5 and your required denominator is 40. 7 upon 8, give the space and put equal to sign, and the required denominator is 40. So we know that 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. So we multiply with the numerator also. So 4 8s are 32. Clear? Now 8 5s are 40. If we multiply 8 by 5, then it becomes 40. So 7 times 5 is 35. Now our fraction is 32 upon 40 and 35 upon 40. And we know that 32 is less than 35. Therefore, I write here. Therefore, 4 upon 5 is less than 7 upon 8. Now, we can do by cross multiplication also. See, our question is 4 upon 5 and 7 upon 8. Clear? So 4 upon 5, 7 upon 8, we just cross multiplied. 8 times 4 and this is 7 times 5. 8 times 4 is 32 and 7 times 5 is 35. So this portion is greater because we know that 32 is less than 35. So 4 upon 5 is less than 7 upon 8. Clear? Any doubt? If there is a doubt, you can ask within a class also, no problem. It is not an issue. Okay, now according to this, we can do the exercise 5D in class. I can basically explain the concept in the video. Now the next concept is how to add or how to subtract. How to add fraction or how to subtract fraction. Now, wait a moment. Most of the student I think aware about this, but this is a new topic for you all. So just check out properly, then this will be easy for students to solve the questions. Now, addition of like fraction. Addition of like fraction. See, first we start with a like fraction. Addition of like fraction. So suppose we can add 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 9. So if there is a like fraction, then it will be easy. You just take out if you take out the LCM of 9 and 9, it will 9. So it is quite easy. Don't take out the LCM, just check. If there is a common denominator, you can write. Then 4 plus 2, it will become 6 upon 9. And One more thing is required here. If the fraction is not in a simplest form, you can reduce it. See, sorry, with 3 you can reduce the fraction, so it will become 2 upon 3. Clear? But this is a solution for when the denominators are same, or you can say if the fraction is a like fraction, then it is very easy to add the two fraction. Clear? Now let us see more examples to understand about this. See, suppose there is a 3 number. Suppose there is a 3 number, 3 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 plus 5 upon 8. You just take out a common 8 here and then write 3 plus 1 plus 5. So is equal to 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 upon 8. If it is an improper fraction, see, if it is an improper fraction, then you have to convert into mix. So you have to convert into in mixed fraction. It will required if the answer is improper fraction. Now it is clear. Now we can move to the next topic, that is the addition of unlike fraction. Addition of the unlike fraction means if there is an unlike fraction, then what to do to add the fraction. Suppose the example 8 upon 9 plus 5 upon 12. Now see, here the denominators are different, means this is an unlike fraction. So if the fraction is unlike, you can take out the LCM of 9 and 12, and by doing by prime factorization method, you can take out the LCM of both two numbers. So you know that 9 and 12 both are divisible with 3. So it's 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are. Then 3 1 4 2, then 2 1 and 1. So the LCM is 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. So 9 4s are 36. So the LCM is 36. Clear? 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. So 36 is the LCM. So you write, wait. Now you have to make the denominator, you have to write like this. See, it is very helpful for students who are not able to do this. See, this is 36 and now we have to make the denominator 36. So 9 4s are 36, 8 4s are 36 and 12 3s are 36 and 5 3s are whatever the thing is. So we can write here 9 4s are 36 and 8 4s are 32. Same like here, 5 3s are 15 and 12 3s are 36. Now you can write 32 upon 36 plus 15 upon 36. So it will be 36, 32 plus 15, which is equal to 7, 47 upon 36. And now you can convert this fraction into mixed fraction by dividing 47 by 36. So it will 1, 36, 1, 1. So you can write 36 here, 1 here and 11 over the top. So this is the solution for. Now let us take an example, one more example. If there is 3 fractions to add, like this is given in your page number 95, 5 upon 6 plus 7 upon 8 plus 11 upon 12. First you take out the LCM of 6, 8, 12. So the LCM of 6, 8 and 12 you can take out by prime factorization method. So 2, it's 3, 4, 6. Now it's again by 3. Then you can use 2 again here. 3, and now 3. It's 1, 1, 1. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and 12 2s are 24. The LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is 24. Now you can write like this. The required denominator is 24. Next is 7 upon 8. The required denominator is 24. 11 upon 12. The required denominator is 24. So 6 4s are 24. So we can multiply 5 with 4, which is equal to 20. 8 3s are 24. So we can multiply 3 here. 7 3s are 21. And 12 2s are 24. So 11 times 2 is 22. Now you can add these numbers because these are the like fractions now. So 20 upon 24 plus 21 upon 24 plus 22 upon 24. You can add. This is 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus 20 60, and 3 more is 63 upon 24. Now you see both the number is divisible by 3. So you can divide this number by 3. It become 3 2s are 6 and 3 21, and it is 8. Now you have to change this 21 upon 8 into mixed fraction. 8 2s are 60, the remainder is 5, and you can start with 8. You can write here 8, after that 2, and then after that 5. So 2 5 upon 8 is the answer for this addition. So here is 3 fraction. So we take out the LCM of all 3 denominator, that is 6, 8 and 12. So the LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is 24. Now make the denominator equal or same. If it is a like fraction, you can easily add. If it is not like, then you have to make first like denominator, then you have to add. Clear? Because for addition and subtraction, we have to make the denominator like before adding or subtracting it.